Thanks for joining us here on Bonjour, Hello, Hola for another French conversation exercise. Today, you're going to be asking for help at the supermarket. I'll be the employee. After I say my line, you'll see a phrase in English on your screen. Translate that phrase aloud to French and keep the conversation going. If you like this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content like this. Are you ready? Bonjour. Est-ce que je peux vous aider? D'accord. Qu'est-ce que vous cherchez? Le riz blanc ou le riz complet? Très bien. Il est dans l'allée 5. C'est au fond du magasin, à droite. Vous allez tout droit, puis à droite. Avec plaisir. Bonne journée et bonne course. Was there anything you got stuck on? Let us know in the comments. Be sure to check out our other conversation exercises and subscribe to stay up to date. See you next time on Bonjour, Hello, Hola.